We are about to land in Antarctica. Because what if I told you the biggest legend in history wasn't a legend at all? Forget everything you know about history. Today we are putting everything on the line to follow the clues and find the one, the only lost city of Atlantis. And I'm going to prove it was built by aliens. Historians say it's impossible. They say it's a myth. Well, I say they're wrong, and we're going to use science, ancient texts, and this crazy piece of technology to prove it. This is Challenge 1. Every great treasure hunt needs a map, but our first clue isn't a map. It's an impossible metal. The Greek philosopher Plato said Atlantis' temple flashed with the red light of a metal called Orichalcum. For centuries, everyone thought he made it up. Complete fantasy. Until this. Boom. 2015, archaeologists found 39 ingots of this exact metal in a 2,600-year-old shipwreck. It's real. We had to have it. We actually bought one of these ancient pieces to test ourselves. It cost a fortune, but it was worth it. We immediately sent it to our lab for analysis, and the results that came back are unbelievable. The results left our scientists speechless. Our scans show it's about 80% copper and 20% zinc. Okay, cool, so what? Here's the cut. To get pure zinc, you need a complex, high-tech process called electrolysis, or smelting at over 900 degrees Celsius. It's a technology that literally kick-started the Industrial Revolution. They absolutely did not have this technology. So if humans couldn't make it, who did? There is only one logical explanation. Plato literally said Orichalcum was a gift from the gods. And we all know what gods means on this channel. Challenge 1, complete. The metal is real and it's alien tech. Now for challenge 2, finding the location. Okay, so if Atlantis was real, where did it go? There are theories everywhere. So we investigated the top 3 most popular locations to prove they're wrong. First stop, the Bahamas. Our first stop on the Atlantis World Tour. People talk about the Bimini Road, an underwater rock formation that looks man-made. Our dive team got in the water, and while it looks incredible, geologists confirmed it's just natural beach rock. It was a huge disappointment. This is not a super city. Mission failed. So we packed our bags and moved on. Not Atlantis. Next, location 2, Santorini, Greece. Our hopes were high for this one. A giant volcano destroyed it. Sounds just like Plato's story, right? Wrong. Our researchers confirmed the timeline is off by thousands of years. And there are 0 signs of alien metal. It was another crushing blow. Another dead end. Wrong again. But these failures only made us more determined. So, if it's not in these obvious places, it means the real location is somewhere no one is looking. This is where it gets good. This brings us to one of the most mysterious artifacts in the world, the Piri Reis map. Get ready for this. It was made in 1513. It's famous because it shows parts of the Americas with shocking accuracy. That's not why we're looking at it. The real secret is down here. This is Antarctica. But wait, there's no ice. Let that sink in for a second. An ancient map showing a continent without its ice cap. How is that even possible? How could a 500-year-old map show the coast of Antarctica under the ice? Something we only mapped with modern radar in the 20th century. because Piri Reis himself wrote that he copied it from much, much older maps from a time before the ice. Maps from Atlantis itself. This wasn't just a map, it was a message from the past. The proof has been staring us in the face the whole time. Atlantis wasn't sunk, it was frozen. Okay, let's put it all together. This is the final step before the big reveal. 1. Dozens of ancient cultures, from the Aztecs to the Hopi Indians to the Sumerians, all tell an identical story. A great flood, gods from the sky, and a lost golden age. It's the same story told in different languages across the entire globe. One story, one source. Evidence Waitoto's blueprint, which gives us the city's layout and the alien metal, Orichalcum. Physical piece of alien technology that proves they had advanced knowledge. Evidence #3, the Piri Reis map showing an ice-free Antarctica, drawn from sources belonging to a lost seafaring civilization. The final piece that points us to a continent of ice. And the final piece of the puzzle comes from a man who claimed he could see the past. Case, America's sleeping prophet, gave psychic readings about Atlantis. And he said their Hall of Records would be found under the ice near the South Pole. He pinpointed the exact location decades before we had the technology to even look. Every single clue points to one place. It's undeniable. This is no longer a theory, it's a destination. That's why a team of top experts conducted a secret investigation to combine all this evidence. They layered the ice-penetrating radar data, the ancient maps, and those mysterious psychic readings. And the conclusion they reached changes everything. They connected the dots in a way no one has before. And they found something. They found a target. The location of the lost city. The world's governments might be hiding what's under the ice, but this research has revealed the truth. If you want to see exactly where this research led us, subscribe right now and hit that bell, because our next video will take you to the location we uncovered. The journey to get there is insane. Do not want to miss this. History is about to be rewritten. We are going in.